The purpose of this video is to let you know about our new science assessment project. The purpose of this research is to allow us to create new assessments that go along with the next generation science standards. So the next generation science standards has set up a whole new standard of how you do instruction and assessment in science, where we need to combine really at the same time the cross-cutting concepts, the content and the scientific practices. They're also insisting that assessments must do the same thing. And it turns out that that's actually contrary to what we normally do. Because in psychometrics and measurement and assessment, we want to keep those things unconfounded, so we find out about them separately. But because they have a good educational reason for wanting to bring them together, we are trying to develop assessments that do that. What's innovative about the project is that we are reacting to the challenge from NGSS to combine together assessments of content, practices and cross-cutting concepts. We will measure science content and scientific argumentation at the same time by giving students science content-based complex tasks where we ask them to argue in that context. And we will then ask separate questions about those as they go through the complex task.
For this project, we use the construct modeling approach called the BEAR assessment system to develop valid, reliable, and fair assessment materials. The BEAR assessment system has 4 building blocks: the construct map, items design, outcome space, and measurement model. The construct map is an explanation or theory about how students might learn. Items design. Items are things like multiple choice questions, open-ended questions, or even drawings. These are things we ask of students so that they can provide us answers. These answers provide empirical evidence of where the student is along the construct map. Then there's the outcome space. It takes the form of a scoring guide or a rubric. It's a way of interpreting student responses and assigning them to a developmental level on the construct map. And fourth is the measurement model. The measurement model is a way to empirically calibrate construct map, items, scoring guides, and students to create more useful assessments. In this project, we use the construct modeling approach, the BEAR assessment system, and its online companion, BAS, to develop our materials.
The BAS software will help teachers by lightening their need to do a lot of scoring from the student assessments. It will automatically score most of what the students write. Berkeley is the lead on the project. We are collaborating with Stanford University, the CERP Institute, and San Francisco Unified School District.